This is just one of the many ways in which you could get the most out of that ham that you baked for Christmas lunch. Now, before you attack me in the comment section about the amount of meat left on this ham, just know that this was given to me by a friend who shall remain anonymous. Thank you, Ronaldo. Go ahead and remove as much meat off the bone as possible and chop the meat into small pieces. We're going to utilize this in a few recipes, but today being Old Year's Day, we stick into that West African tradition of having black-eyed peas to bring prosperity in the year to come. For the black-eyed pea soup, we're using some of the chopped ham to add a meaty, smoky flavor to the soup. We're not adding any additional seasoning at this point because the ham would have had a certain amount of salt as well as the spices like clove, etc., and the flavor of the glaze that you would have used when you was baking it. Saute the chopped ham on medium to high heat, add in your onion, ginger, pimento, garlic. Combine that and let it saute for about 1 minute. Then add your tomato, pumpkin, black-eyed peas, and saute for about another 3 minutes. Add about 4 cups of water, bay leaf, and the ham bone. The peas are going to take about 90 minutes to cook, so in that time the bone is going to impart amazing flavor to the broth. Cover and let it simmer on medium to low heat for 1 hour. After an hour, you want to taste it for seasoning and then add your salt and your black pepper and allow it to cook for another 20 minutes. At this point, you really want to keep an eye on it because we're aiming for most of the liquid to be absorbed by the peas. This is when you know they'll be cooked and tender, but if you leave it too long, it could easily start to burn. So don't go watching Netflix and forget about the soup. At this point, the peas should be cooked. Remove the bone and check to make sure that the peas are fork tender. Mash some of them, but not all. You want some of the whole peas in there for that texture, but the starch from the mashed peas will thicken the soup. You want to add 2 cups of hot water, not cold water, and simmer for 5 minutes. Now, a lot of people say they hate black-eyed peas, but I am of the firm belief that anyone who hates any type of peas just not cooking it right. This soup is absolutely delicious, even without the ham or any meat. A vegan version of this dish is still a lovely dish. I really want to take a moment to thank everyone who has liked, subscribed, commented, shared, and tried any of the recipes that we've done in the past year. Your support is truly appreciated, and I'm really looking forward to bringing even more content in 2019, so keep it locked. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.